Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe viewers. Most amazing news for our viewers. Yeah, new studies identifies a potential therapeutic target to improve cognitive function in patients with various neurological disorders. A new research from the University of California, San Diego suggests that an experimental cancer drug may improve cognitive functions in individuals with Rett syndrome, a rare condition associated with autism. This discovery holds potential for developing treatments for further neurological disorders. The findings published July 25 in Stem Cell Reports highlight the role of microglia, a type of white blood cell found in the central nervous systems in the formation of the human brain. Which such cells have been better studied in neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's disease, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, that is called ALS, and multiple sclerosis. Very little information has existed on their role in early stages of neural development because access to fetal tissue is limited, said Piner Messi, PhD. The study's lead researchers now employed elsewhere. They completed work on the project while at the university. In a bid to better understand their function, Messi instead used brain organoids, mini brains, essentially the to mimic the developing brain of an embryo grown from skin derived stem cells of consenting patients. Such organoids were created from individuals with Rett syndrome, a disorder primarily found in females that features loss of speech, purposeful use of hands, mobility, and muscle tone, among other symptoms, as well as from neurotypical individuals. Messi then added healthy microglia to the Rett syndrome brain organoids and found that the functioning of synapses, where neurons connect to the communicate, was rescued. This occurred due to the restorations of phagocytosis, a process by which microglia, sometimes referred to as the janitors of the central nervous systems, ingest and destroy foreign substances like bacteria and dead cells, keeping the brain and spinal cord ready and tidy. The process also involves pruning of synapses, which optimizes brain function. Researchers also found that the synapses of typical neurons experienced impaired functioning when Rett syndrome's microglia were introduced, further confirming the role of the immune cell in brain function and development. If the brain's janitors are not working, problems start to arise, said US San Diego School of Medicine Professor Alison Morty, a PhD, senior author and director of the university's Sanford Stem Cell Institute's Integrated Space Stem Cell Orbital Research Center. Faulty microglia make cognition even harder for Rett syndrome patients who already contend with fewer and impaired synapses and dysfunctional astrocytes due to a loss of function in the MECP2 gene, implicated in other types of neurodevelopmental conditions as well. BNS exclusive report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.